Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardell and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a VW T5 that we've upgraded with a new security system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So these campervan conversions, just like this one, are actually becoming more and more sought after, mostly because of COVID. People are spending a lot more time on UK holidays and actually in a controlled environment. Obviously, one of the things is obviously keeping the vehicle in its current owner's hands, and that's exactly what we're achieving by adding in a security system like this. It's called the Thatcham S5 VTS tracking system. It's actually produced by a manufacturer called Vodafone, as in the phone guys. They bought out Cobra alarm, so actually it's a Cobra tracking system, just kind of rebranded with the Vodafone standpoint on it. In terms of the solution that we've gone for, it's called an S5 VTS and it is Thatcham approved. It's also been installed by ourselves, Thatcham approved installer. In terms of the main kind of advantages of the system, the first thing is ADR cards. Basically, it's a driver recognition tag. You keep one of those on your person whenever you're driving the vehicle, and if the vehicle is moved, started, whatever it is, you will get a notification, whether that's a text message or a phone call. You will be notified of your vehicle moving. It's the same system I've got on my vehicle currently. However, we're always testing new different systems, but this is a really nice solution. So you get two of them cards. You can keep one on with your spare keys and one with your current keys that you use day to day. So overall, that's a really nice thing. So if that vehicle is moved or started without that tag present, even if you've got the factory key present, you still get that notification. The other cool thing that this system comes with is actually an application. It's called MyConnectedCar, and you can actually go live directly on your Google Play Store or App Store if you're an iPhone user, and actually download that and try a demo version. It actually goes through all the functionality that you guys would be getting if you had this system, which is really nice. So feel free to go download that. That will be in the description below for that link to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. But overall, that's a really nice solution that you can control everything on the app. You can set speeding alerts, you can do geofencing, you can do quite a lot. But feel free to download that, check it out, use it, and then you'll see exactly what sort of features and benefits you guys will be getting from the system. But the other thing is it's Thatcham approved. Can also potentially reduce your actual premiums on your insurance as well, but also it's that peace of mind that your vehicle is now protected. If you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through other options or this option with you and pricing for that as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.